We organize ourselves and inform the police commander, the MP, DC, and the presiding member at the District Assembly of Asuyaman that if VRA venture to come to combine to disconnect, VRA come to combine to disconnect anybody. Other 5 communities, Mangwase, Tosca, Afabin, Kokono, Pupuni, we shall seriously revenge. Opinion leader George Podochi says some residents are expected to pay as much as 16,000 Ghana cedis for electricity.
If this dam, excuse me to say, has a problem today, we are the first to be watched out. Why can't we be considered? If this, I mean, it has to be looked at. We are the first to die. So why should we be treated this way? Please, Mr. Engineer, your appointment was approved by somebody. That is the presidency. They are advising you. Please, just take the simple advice and come and change the meters for it, because no amount of meetings will solve this problem.
Meanwhile, Director of General Services at VRA, Shirley Seidu, says their technical department has been instructed to suspend the disconnection exercise pending a meeting involving all stakeholders soon. Kwame Yanka's report for Joy News.